I'm from Kazan. Originally, I'm from a very small town called Yelabuga, and I applied to the medical school in Kazan, where I did my medical school, and then subsequently did my internal medicine residency. So I was based in that city, which is the capital of Republic of Tatarstan, and there was a long-standing collaboration between my medical school and medical schools from the United States. And thanks to that, the visiting professors were coming to our medical school and giving lectures that I was very fortunate to attend. So that inspired me to broaden my horizon, my professional horizon, and learn medicine basically in a new language for myself. AEI's academic programs offer unique opportunity for overseas medical trainees and practicing physicians to come to Atlanta, Georgia on F1 visa to study for the United States medical licensing exams. The admission process is very smooth, and during that process you can start applying to the housing and even tour some living properties online. And after you arrive here, you can make a choice from many offers. The USMLE preparation program curriculum will be evaluated by the coordinator according to your level, and it will be oriented to the particular step that you're enrolling to. The program offers a robust collection of educational digital subscriptions, print collections, and other study resources for any step. There is a dedicated module for practicing interview techniques with an expert and the program's alumni who already graduated the program and helped to improve the nation's health. Also, some learners can participate in a group study where they can practice their medical English proficiency and clinical case-based scenarios to improve those aspects of their professionalism. The feedback and evaluations are provided by the program's coordinator on a bi-weekly basis, and the coordinator monitors your progress constantly. All these academic tools, in addition to the welcoming culture and inspiring leadership, allow me to build the solid action plan and meet my objectives. The location is very convenient for commuters who travel through Georgia during any local weather, given that it's subtropical, comfortable weather. That is an additional point for me. And importantly, the proximity of the state-of-the-art leading nation's hospitals and health systems allow to build the professional networking. So if you're willing to build up on your professionalism and advance in your professional skills and start prepare to provide high standard healthcare, consider applying to this unique academic institution. So USMLE is a very broad exam that gives you a wealth of new knowledge, and if you're able to pass the USMLE exam, that means that you are meeting that bare minimum to understand the local healthcare system. I don't consider myself as someone who can give a lot of advice because I'm still in the process, but for fresh starters, I can say that you have to be goal-oriented, open-minded, persistent. This is like sports. So if you want to achieve something in sports, you have to sacrifice many other things. So I consider my steps as a little Olympic Games. So I was prepping for those Olympic Games, and I was locked in on those processes, and that basically helped me to pass the exams, because in my country there are even no testing centers. You have to fly to other countries to take the exams. So There are many obstacles that you have to overcome, but if you really want it, if you're in the right group of people, and if you know how to support yourself, how to be persistent again and treat yourself to get better results, you should be fine. And if you're stuck somewhere, just don't panic and try to find a solution. And there are people around you who want to help you, because this is like parenting. And once you've done something, you want to help others to do the same thing.